Okay, today is Tuesday, February 4th, 2025. We're at 30846 Westhill. This is off of Orchard Lake. We're south of 10 miles, so we believe this would actually fall under the city of Farmington, not Farmington Hills. As you can see, we're at a clean out here at the back of the house. You can see here's the air conditioner. Behind us you can see that is the backyard. We do believe that the sewer does go around the side of the house here. There is a garage, attached garage on the other side of the house. We're going to do a diagnostic televise at this time to try and assess the sewer. As you can see, this is 4-inch cast iron. You can see we have some scale buildup here, but not too bad. You can see here we change over to PVC. And you can see here we go back to the cast iron. You can see here we have 90. We believe this goes under the garage. We will do some locating on the sewer when we pull back. Right now we're just going to do our initial televise to see how far we can get. We believe the city main is located across the street in the front of the house. Okay, here it appears that we might have a clean out. If we can't televise all the way to the main, we may attempt to locate this out in the front yard. Okay, as you can see, we have lost part of our visual on the camera. We're going to continue to push out at this point just to see if we can make it to the city main. So far the piping is all 4-inch cast iron. Okay, we're going to pause here to locate. Okay, we have located this out in the front yard. It's approximately down about 7 feet. We're 20 to 25 feet short of the city main. The city main runs center of the road. As you can see, it's been all 4-inch cast iron. We're going to see if we can continue to push to the city main and then see if we can get a clear lens. Okay, as you can see here, we've lost complete visual. We are going to try and get some water running to see if we can get a clear view of what we have. Okay, as you can see, we do have water flowing. We're going to try and continue our televise. You can see here is where we change to clay pipe. You can see here we have some calcite. You can see here we have a little bit of calcite buildup, and you can see here we are just short of 200 feet at the city main. We will go ahead and have the water stopped, and then we will go ahead once everything's drained down and continue our recording. Okay, we're going to set our camera right here, and we're going to wait for all the water to drain down, and then we will go ahead and continue our televise as we pull back. Okay, our water flow has decreased, so we are going to go ahead and pull back. As you see, we have a little calcite buildup at that joint and a little at the bottom. That is out in the road. You can see the 6-inch clay does not hold any water. can see here's another joint with some calcite buildup on the left-hand side. As you can see, other than the calcite buildup, and we have a little bit of buildup here at the bottom, it looks like possibly just a area that holds a little bit of water right by the transition. But as you can see with the clay pipe, everything appears to be in good condition at this time. We're going to continue to pull back and look at the cast iron. As you can see, we do have some scale buildup in the cast iron piping. Here you can see we have a joint with some calcite buildup as well. We will go ahead when we come back to approximately 86 feet, and it appears there's possibly a clean out. As you'll see, there's an opening in the 12 o'clock position. We will pause to locate that area, but you can see the cast iron isn't holding any water at this time. It does have some scale buildup to it. Okay, as you can see, there's our opening. We're going to push the camera right up there, and we're going to pause here to locate. Okay, out front, where we located this area to be, there is a hole that somebody has dug about 12 inches or so deep. It appears there's no clean out there. We were actually locating about a foot behind the hole. We did use a probe rod, but we could not locate. We are going to go ahead and continue to record as we pull back. Okay, we're going to push back forward here, and you'll see Up on the left-hand side, coming up here, we have a piece of, not exactly sure what it is. This is just a little bit, it is something that's loose. This is something that is just a little bit behind the clean out. If it appears that that's an ongoing issue, not sure if we could use a jetter to push it all the way to the main, or it's something that we would have to excavate. It's roughly down about 5 feet, but we did note that right now the ground is currently pretty wet. But as you can see, as we pull back, you can see the cast iron. Again, it does have some scale to it, but it's not in terrible shape. The cast iron is not holding water. As a matter of fact, the whole sewer does not hold water anywhere throughout, other than there's a small spot with a very small amount of water where it transitions from the 4-inch cast iron to the 6-inch clay. We believe this to be possibly a stint that was put in, maybe due to a piece of broken pipe, or possibly possibly, as you can see here, it looks more like maybe it was just a PVC repair that was done. That is back here in the area where the concrete is. We'll show that. Here you can see this is the concrete patio, and then to your right, the concrete continues on, and the garage is set in a little bit from the back of the house. This will conclude our recording at this time.